Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Pepo Coin channel. Rich is back today with another video about XRP as usual. I hope everyone is having a nice day today. Regardless of where you are in the world, we will be discussing XRP. This is the one-day chart, and right now we are sitting at $2.77. Valentine's Day was the beginning of XRP's significant rise. We have been moving sideways in this channel between $2.70 and $2.80 ever since. It's good to see us taking a different approach once more. We may reach a new all-time high with the next leg up, in my opinion. That is what everyone expects to occur. By the end of this month, and everything is going according to plan, we are exactly following the 2017 run if you compare it to the 2025 run, but take a look at where they are projecting XRP to go, $349. I saw other folks requesting $600 in XRP. I will remain conservative. I continue to believe that we will be here somewhere between 20 and 30. For XRP, however, nothing is off the table. Take the run in 2017, for example. XRP started at less than a penny and rose to $3.40. If you don't believe that can occur once more, I believe that. This time around, XRP will have a tremendous run, so we'll have to wait and watch. However, I would like to provide you with a realistic price range. Price point that is bullish? Yes, it is possible. XRP is outperforming both Bitcoin and Ethereum. As you be aware, XRP has so far outperformed both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum's enthusiasm has subsided. Really, I don't see anyone discussing Ethereum. You know, folks typically forecast a $10,000 Ethereum price when the old season is this close. It seems like no one is even discussing it at the moment. Furthermore, if they are discussing it, they are implying that it is failing. On Valentine's Day, however, I went out to dinner with my wife to discuss Bitcoin. Additionally, I had on an XRP hoodie. The owner's son told me that XRP isn't that ripple in the restaurant where we went. I thought, yeah, he's like, yuck. What do you mean, yuck? I asked. Do you have any interest in cryptocurrency? Yeah, I own Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, he says. Well, why do you hate XRP, I ask. That's the banker's coin, he says. Anything that cryptocurrency was not designed for, such as anti-bank and anti-government sentiment. You understand now that everyone wants the US government to keep Bitcoin in that strategic reserve, I added. I questioned why they wanted the government to own Bitcoin if it is so anti-government. It doesn't make sense, I said. It would somewhat centralize Bitcoin. I added that Franklin Templeton was associated with Bitcoin and that BlackRock was now dealing with ETFs. I stated that I purchase XRP in order to align myself with the future usage of the banks. My goal is to associate with the elites. That's how wealth is passed down through generations. Well, XRP just isn't for me, he says. It's going to have a fantastic run-up, I added. Why wouldn't you purchase it merely to profit from it? Make a profit from something you detest. I'll never hold that banker's coin, he says, and I said, listen, I'm all in if the banker's coin is going to make me money. However, that is how XRP is perceived. They simply despise this cryptocurrency. I also don't understand. It isn't. The banks are not in competition. The banks will use it because of this. Putting one item against another is the first step toward eventually losing relevance. Consider it. The Bitcoin maxis consistently predicted that Bitcoin will eventually supplant the US dollar. The US dollar won't be replaced by it. The banks will be replaced by it. The banks will not disappear. And the US government isn't either. Therefore, why wouldn't you put yourself in the position that they will use to repair the financial system? Why not take advantage of this opportunity to invest in the new financial system? But as I mentioned earlier, I don't understand the reasoning behind certain people's crypto beliefs. The biggest opponent of XRP forecasts an 883% price increase to $24. The XRP army responds. The Vinci Jeremy is the source of this. Although he still has doubts about XRP, he is projecting a $24 price. That's not clear to me. You're telling people that XRP will reach $24, but I wouldn't stick onto it. There's no logic behind it. According to the XRP army, they don't want to appear foolish. Indeed, the detractors don't want to appear foolish because they are all aware of XRP's potential. Even the most ardent XRP detractors are aware of its potential. And I promise you that whenever XRP begins to take off, you won't hear a word from any of these critics. They'll stop talking. There's no certain that you won't hear nonsense about XRP. In particular, if it flips Bitcoin, it will be the big one, since Bitcoin is based on hype and the belief that its price will keep rising and that it will always be the most popular cryptocurrency. However, everything will change if XRP overtakes Bitcoin in terms of market capitalization and rises to the top cryptocurrency forever. Big things are coming. For XRP, according to BitTrue, a cryptocurrency exchange based in Singapore, they claim that a lot is happening. They're saying this, then. Updates for the XRP ETF. That is what's driving up the price of XRP at the moment. Many individuals wish to position themselves prior to the launch of these ETFs. The conclusion of the Ripple litigation is likely to be significant. I anticipate a subsequent increase in pricing after that. I'll go into greater detail regarding the Ripple web revamp in a future video. News of the partnership between SBI and Ripple has me waiting for XRP to launch in the Japanese financial system. I'm interested to see how much XRP gains from that. Early on, significant purchase of XRP from Japan. Thus, a Japanese energy business bought $3,900,000 worth of Doge and XRP. Businesses will be purchasing XRP and storing it in liquidity pools. For their cross-border transfers, banks will be creating liquidity pools for XRP. This is something that other nations will also be doing. In addition to making payments quicker, less expensive, and more secure, XRP also creates a layer of confidence between two nations who don't trust one another since it provides on-demand liquidity. This money is a bridge currency and will continue to be so, the international bridge currency. It will be transferring a significant amount of value every day. Additionally, I think the pricing is still incredibly low right now. From here, XRP will continue to rise significantly. Vincent Van Code is the source of this, and I concur with this. Only 5% or less of the total amount of XRP in circulation will eventually be available for public trading. The remainder will be locked away, amounting to billions of dollars in transactions for the worldwide payment sector. Why don't we lock it all up? Because in order to reduce counterparty risk, XRP must be able to be sold on a free, open market. Check out the features and capabilities on the xrpledger.org website if you don't believe me. Satan then made comparisons to Bitcoin, Doge, and Pepe, our purpose-built asset tokenization and sell anything for anything native capabilities are XRP and XRP Ledger. The majority of people will run out of XRP when the amount in circulation drops to 5% or less. Once that occurs, people will be purchasing one XRP, and this is on the horizon. There will be limited supply of this cryptocurrency. In the beginning, everyone was saying, well, there are 100 billion tokens. How could scarcity ever exist? The liquidity pools shown in the Bank of International Settlement, BIS, white paper were not something that people were considering. Every project they work on exhibits payment rails and liquidity pools. That indicates that some of the most well-known companies will lock XRP away. It will continue for a very long time. Given that the price increased by a few cents or dollars, they will not be selling. They intend to keep it for a long time. As long as institutions, new retail investors, and other retail investors continue to purchase, retail will continue to sell. Additionally, you run the risk of running out of XRP if you sell it too quickly. The majority of people will never have the opportunity to acquire